Do we know what a hang fire is? Nope. A hang fire is a delayed discharge. In this scenario, you pull the trigger, and just like a misfire, the gun goes click. The only difference is that maybe about 10, 15, 20 seconds later, then the gun goes bang.
Oh, that's messed up.
That's messed up. So just imagine someone that's not familiar with gun safety, especially this rule here, number 1. They pull the trigger, the gun goes click, and they go.
First thing they do is look at the gun.
Yeah, look at the end of it.
They look at it like, oh man, is the bullet still in there?
Boom!
Oh.
Just a thought.
And
There's
the like, well, that can mean you killed
There's
yourself.
a certain number of people that have actually shot and killed themselves because they had a hang fire.
So how do you avoid that? Do you need to be utilizing your
I just told you how to avoid it.
Keep it in a safe direction.
Exactly.
Well, no, not obviously shooting yourself. I'm talking about buying defective cartridges.
Right. That's a good question.
How do you keep yourself from buying defective cartridges? One way of doing that is not going to the gun show and buying reloaded ammunition from the guy that's selling ammunition in baggies. There's a concept in guns, the gun community, as reloads. Anybody know what reloads are?
Mm-hmm.
Reloads.
When they load them with the gunpowder and then
When you shoot a semi-automatic, the casings fly out. A reloader will go through and will pick those up and put them in his pocket. He'll take them home. He'll pop this primer cap out. He'll wash these casings. He'll put them in a die, resize it to its original size. He'll trim it and cut it to the proper length. He'll put a new primer cap in. He'll go out and get some smokeless powder off the internet. He'll measure it in a measuring device. He'll pour it to the proper depth.
Really? How you supposed to do all that?
You take a reloading class.
Oh my goodness.
And then you buy some bullets, and then you can either go to the gun shop or have them sent to your house, and you put it at the proper depth so it'll fit in your gun, and then you crimp the edges together. And then there are people that do that, and then they sell it at the gun shows.